All right, let's learn a new skill today. I want to take part of our narration and play it at the same time as our music, but I want the music to turn itself down so we can hear the talking more than the music. So I want to go through the first verse of the song and then add the narration in. So where do we want to do that?
Oh no.
Good times. These are the good times. Leave your cares behind. These are the good times.
So after they finish that line, leave your cares behind, these are the good times, we want to find the narration for the next bit, which sounds like this.
Lots of legendary groups were recording all at the same time, and John Deacon, the bass player from Queen, was hanging out in the studio with Chic while they recorded their song, and he liked what he heard.
So this little snippet, up until he liked what he heard, I'm going to set my playhead right between these two little pieces, because this is me talking, and this is a silence, and then this is me talking again, right? So I'm going to hit S for split. This is one audio track cut off and moved by itself. Oh, here's the one that we did last time. Any extra pieces when it goes silent? Hit delete.
Do trip it, trip it, trip it, trip it, trip it up and down.
2. Cut off the audio. So we'll have two audio tracks going at once. We'll hear the song, and then we'll hear me narrating. If we right click, separate the audio. Let's move it. So now you've got two things going on at once.
Yoinks! And away!
And let's see if we can time it just right.
Yoinks! And away!
Lots of legendary groups were recording all at the
So let me show you how to do this. You separate the audio, you move it into place, and then if you click on the narration, right, we want to make sure, if you go to advanced under audio, make sure it's voice. But then if you click on the song, under advanced in audio, you're looking for auto duck.
Yoinks! And away!
So if I play it the way it is, the music is going to be loud and the voice is going to be loud, and it'll sound like this.
Lots of legendary groups were recording all at the same time, and John Deacon, the bass
Like both things are going on at once and you can't hear it clearly. But if you click on that song and you click on auto duck, what is that going to do? Did you see the levels just go down? It's going to auto turn the music down while this talking is going on. So hopefully we'll be able to hear both. If you look at the level, like I'm going to move this to the left, and as I do, as the level gets less and less, you can see that it's getting greener and greener. So if I don't turn anything down, if I have it at 0, it's going to stay where it is. But I'm going to set this at around 90-ish. And let's see how it sounds.
Yoinks! And away! Yoinks! And away! Yoinks! And away! You!
Lots of legendary groups were recording all at the same time, and John Deacon, the bass player from Queen, was hanging out in the studio with Chic while they recorded their song, and he liked what he heard.
That works. The main thing you want is you want the music to be turned down so you can hear the narration right here. And that's how we use the auto duck. And the computer does it for you, so you don't have to mess with the audio. All you have to do is make sure that your voice track is selected as voice, and then you go to the music, go to advanced under audio, turn on the auto duck, and I would crank it up so that it turns the music down for you. And that's how we do the auto duck feature. So let's listen to just the song. Make sure we know where to turn it down. I put the auto duck at like 90%, but I've turned the volume of the narration up so it's louder and so that my voice pops out and the music fades way down. And when that's done, what does it look like? It looks like this.
It starts with those 3 beats. They get your attention and they don't let go.
Good times. These are the good times. Leave your cares behind. These are the good times.
lots of legendary groups were recording all at the same time, and John Deacon, the bass player from Queen, was hanging out in the studio with Chic while they recorded their song, and he liked what he heard.
Make sure we have the song set for auto duck around 90%, and then make sure your narration at the audio track is set for voice, and see when we need to do the fade out and how to make it sound. And that's it for today.